Hello everyone, thanks for tuning into my channel once again. This is Kumar. Today once again I'm going to make a painting on coronavirus, and thank you so much to everyone for giving lots of love and support to our previous videos on coronavirus. And if you have not watched the videos yet, don't miss, the links are given in the description box. Fine. Today also I'm going to make the painting on coronavirus. So here is a little boy who is just standing near his home's window. Fine, I have made the drawing using BC's pencils, and now I am applying the watercolor. I am trying to apply the color in transparent way. So here I am applying the fast tones now. In watercolor, always I have mentioned in my previous videos also that you must use lot of waters and very less colors. So here I am applying the fast tone, very light colors. Now after the fast tone, I am applying the second tones, little darker colors. On the face I am using chrome yellow color, which is known as golden yellow also, and I am mixing little vermilion red. The both colors have turned into orange color little bit. In second tone, always remember, don't try to apply the color in dark form. The second tone should be little darker than the first tone. In this tone I have used gamboge yellow, little vermilion red, and I have mixed little brown sienna. Now I am heading to the darker tones. In dark tone I have mixed the burnt sienna, little vermilion red, and just little touch of cobalt blue. And you can see the result, the color I am applying on the hair. Always make sure your brush is not dried. Your brush should be wet enough. I'm focusing on the eye of the boy. Now I am applying the second tone, the folds of the dress of the boy. I am trying to show the folds of the dress. The boy is basically wearing a t-shirt. Sewing the folds in a dress is really very important thing, and little tough also, but it's not too tough to do. You can do it, just you need to observe properly, you need to notice all the folds and all the parts properly, and according to the fold, according to the tones, you have to apply the lighter to darker tones. Viewers, you must have observed I have not applied the dark tone at a time. Gradually I am increasing the darkness in the fold. Using watercolor is really a matter of fun. A lot of fun you will get if you will follow the proper technique. And in order to learn the proper technique, you must observe the paintings and the things, the objects properly. And if you have not checked our previous videos of watercolor painting tutorials, you may check, which will be available in the YouTube Arnav Kumar Manna. Again I am applying the darker tones. Gradually I am trying to increase the darkness. In watercolor, sharpness always matters. How the softness you are maintaining in your painting. So in order to maintain the softness in your painting, you must follow the right technique, and the technique is you must go from the light to dark, and gradually, slowly you have to increase the darkness. As the boy is the main subject of my painting, so I'm trying to focus little more than other objects in my painting. Now I'm applying the second tone on the window. In watercolor, you must use a good quality of brushes. Your brush should be soft enough and strong enough. Basically, these brushes are called as 7-layer brushes that I am using in my painting now. Now I am trying to color the background, the outside of the window, which should not be in much details. I am trying to show in hazy form, in blur form. I am trying to show everything in blur. Here little yellow ochre I am using, and in order to show the greeny scenery outside, I have used little lemon yellow and light green, which is known as sap green also. Although you will get different kind of light green color in the market, like sap green. Sometimes you will get in the name of light green also. Here little yellow ochre I'm applying. In order to learn watercolor, always I mention in my videos that you must watch the tutorial right from the beginning to the end, because if you will skip any part of the video of the tutorial, you will miss the technique, and when you will practice, you will face a lot of problem. So always my recommendation to all the viewers is to watch the tutorial videos right from the beginning to the end. I'm trying to color the virus now, the coronavirus. I applied gamboge yellow first in the first tone, and in second tone I have used little mixed with vermilion red and gamboge yellow. Now in third tone I have mixed little crimson red also and little brown. So here also you can see that gradually, slowly I am trying to increase the contrast. At the time of increasing the contrast in your painting, you must not forget one thing: to maintain the water level. You must use plenty of water. The first virus I have shown in much details, and the second virus, which is little away, which is not being shown in much detail. I'm going to make the frame of the window little darker. So viewers, if you like our painting, the tutorial, if it comes in help, you please don't forget to like our video, press the like button and comment in the comment box, and please don't forget to share our videos with your friends, relatives and everyone you know. If you're new in our channel, please don't forget to subscribe our channel to get the notifications, because you know, always I make such kind of art, drawing, painting tutorials.